Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Short.AI to generate caption text. So on the Short.AI/explore page, you just scroll. So when you scroll, you're going to see caption generator. So because I want to caption my short video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, I come to this page where I'm required to upload the video. So they said you can drag and drop the video file here. It could be in MP4, WebM, MOV, MKV, AVI. The maximum size of the video is going to have to be 300 MB and the duration is 2 minutes. So the caption you want, what language, you can do auto detect or you can select the language you so choose. So they have several options here. We have Assamese, Bulgarian, Bengali, just name it. So you have even English, Spanish, several different language. I'm going to leave it at auto detect and I'll click on the upload button right here to be able to select a video. So I'll just select a short video and I'm going to upload that video. So I'm going to select this that's about 28 seconds. I'll just select that. I'm going to click done. Okay. And allow the upload process to occur. So I'm going to wait while the process loads. So I'm waiting. It's at 30%. So just wait for the process to be completed. So when you're uploading the video, make sure you don't leave the page because leaving the page will definitely interrupt the upload and you may need to start afresh again. So once this happens, the process of generating the captions starts taking place. Okay. So I say collapse the window if you don't want to wait. So it's in the process of generating the captions. Okay. So what I will simply do is I'll just close this and wait. So it says one subtitle to be generated. So the video is at approximately about 30%. The subtitle generation is about 30%. So just continue waiting. So the process is at 60% completion rate, and at this rate now it's at 100%. So I just click on it and allow it to load. Okay, so it's now left for you at this point in time to. So let me just play it and see what. This video I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create your minutes alongside with another tool. At the end of the day, you're going to have very beautiful minutes that did not take you a lot of time to type. So within a fraction of probably less than between 5 to 10 minutes. So let me show you how to add AI emojis to your videos. If you want to add AI emojis on your videos, you click on AI emojis and you can select either few, medium, or a lot, and then you click on apply the magic. So once you're done doing that, it will say switch to timeline to view results. So on the timeline, you can simply click this video button. So when you click on the play button, you can go ahead and click the emoji icon and introduce the emoji you want. Okay, so you can also click on the play button. Showing you how to use ChatGPT to if you want to create your minutes alongside with another tool. At the end of the day, you're going to have very beautiful minutes that did not take you a lot of time to type. So within a fraction of probably so you can just include less than emojis you like between 5 to 10 minutes. So let me share how you can position your captions. So depending on where you want to position your caption, you can use this drag to adjust subtitle height to move it to where you want. So whether it is below or above. So it is up to you to do that. So that's one thing you can do. So the drag to adjust subtitle height can help you position your subtitle at the right place. Okay, you can also decide to align it either to the left. Okay, so you can do it left alignment or you want a right alignment. You're going to have center it. Very beautiful minutes. Any of them that you can do that. Did not take you. These are things you can do with the Short AI tool.
Now let's look at how we can export videos on this platform. So to export the videos, just click on the export button and the export process will get started. So while the export process gets started, you just have to be patient for the process to get completed. So you just have to be patient, as I said earlier on, and then you see
This video, I'm
the
going to show you how
process
to use
commences.
ChatGPT to create your minutes alongside with another tool. At the end of the day, you're going to have very beautiful minutes that did not take you a lot of time to type. So within a fraction of probably less than between 5 to 10 minutes.
Now we've come to the end of this video. Endeavor to drop your comment. If you have any particular question, you can also drop it in the comment section. I will appreciate it. Endeavor to subscribe. Thank you.